It's the greater dog. Bandage. You reapply the bandage. It's still sticky and gooey. Okay. Oh! Great dog is waiting for your command. Greater dog, pet. The greater dog is too far away to pet. You just pet the air. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. The greater dog is watching you intently. Play. The greater dog is not excited enough to play. Oh! Greater dog is waiting for your command. Beckon, you call the greater dog. He mounts towards you, clutching slobber into your face. Ooh, greater dog is seeking affection. Okay, so I pet. Greater dog is content. Ah, freak you, greater dog. I like these people. You're petting them and they try to attack you. Now get out of here, greater.